Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download GTA 5 for free. Yes, completely free, and it's 100% legal. First open your web browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can use whichever one you prefer. In the search bar, type Epic Games, then hit enter. Click the official link that says Epic Games Store. I'll also leave the link in the video description for you. Once you're on the home page, click Sign In at the top right corner. Log in with your Epic Games account, or just use Google for a quick login. After signing in, you'll be on the Epic Games Store. In the store's search bar, type Grand Theft Auto V and press enter. Look for Grand Theft Auto 5, Enhanced Edition, then click on it. On the game page, check whether there's a price tag or a free button. Sometimes Epic Games gives away GTA 5 for free during special promotions. If it says free, grab it right away. Click Get, add it to your library, and you're all set. If it's not free right now, don't worry. Epic Games often has weekly free game giveaways, so keep checking back, and that's it. That's how you can check and claim GTA 5 for free on the Epic Games Store. Did you manage to get it for free? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick gaming tips and updates.